think I'm next. Also doing CSV stuff. So starting with a blank table, added this like details pane over here. It's still kind of early days, but it's coming. And so for example, if I pull over some totally fake quota data, it has commas and stuff in it. And so we didn't, like if I save this, it's quotas. Looks like we identified both of these as strings, and I can actually check that by hitting query CSV, and it'll pull up a little preview. And if I go over here, I can see that the type is string on quota, and like I don't get the full list of aggregates that I might want. So if I go back to edit the table, I can then flip quota over to an int and save again. There's no real indicator here that it's changed, but if I go back to my preview, I can see that the type over here in the field picker has changed and that I get the full list of aggregates. So different type.
Richard, quick question. How does it work with like dates? Something I've seen is if somebody has a CSV with like a date that looks like a date, but it's in just a different format that we don't interpret well. Do we give options here to override that?
Well, do you want to find out live?
Yeah.
All right, cool. What do you have an example of?
Month, day, year. Month/day,
Okay.
year.
Yeah.
Month, day. Oh, that's really ambiguous too. Let's do a. Do you want to try a non-ambiguous one?
No, it
or-
has the non-ambiguous one already works.
Okay. So, like this. That should be sufficient, right?
Sure.
Um,
The one I see sometimes too is like when the
so
day
it
and
shows that.
month are swapped.
Yeah. Is this? So this is year, month, or actually, it's really hard to tell what this is.
Oh, it
So,
reversed it. Yeah, it's
yeah.
going Feb.
Yep.
Um,
Yeah.
So, I mean, yeah, I don't think there's a way because we're just going to be changing the type under the hood.
Mhm.
I don't think there'd be a way right with this UI to do that. Yeah, you know what you might want to do though is if you were doing it, I guess we can't really. There's no type that says that we'd actually have to like choose the formatting up front.
Yeah, I think we want to like
Yeah,
inform it as to this is a date and here's the format it's in. So you can say this is day,
yeah,
month, year, or month, day, year,
yeah.
or whatever it is, so that it
So sort
interprets
of
it
an
correctly.
add-on to the date
Mhm.
column. I think that makes sense. And I think it may be possible because I believe you can change the priority of the way we check against the CSV. So I'll look into that.
Nice.
Yeah.
Very slick.
How are we doing the type inference? What's going on there?
Like DuckDB's CSV upload has a sniffer in it. Stephen could probably tell you more, but
Oh yeah, that's
yeah.
thanks.
We're using the basics from DB on its own. There's a lot of stuff we've talked about to inform that of and a lot of different things we could play with to sort of make this thing smarter in the future. The most simple thing is it's actually very, very good at figuring a lot of stuff out and sort of surprisingly good. So the defaults are pretty awesome. But yeah, we can do as we see fit.
Yeah, when I looked at it, it seemed fairly configurable. Like you can pass in, it's like it just takes arrays of like priorities. And so if we floated month, day, year to the top of the priority or allowed you to sort of set that manually, then I think we could make it a lot smarter.